Today I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on LinkedIn. This is especially useful if you've switched numbers and want to make sure your account stays secure and up to date with your current contact information. Let's walk through this together. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see your profile icon. This is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on that icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this drop-down menu, look for the option that says Settings and Privacy and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account, from privacy settings to notification preferences. Now that you're on the Settings and Privacy page, shift your focus to the left side of the screen. Here you'll see a navigation panel with different categories. Look for the section labeled Sign In and Security and click on it. This is where LinkedIn houses all the important security features for your account, including password management and two-factor authentication options. Within the Sign In and Security section, scroll down until you find the option called Phone Numbers. Click on it to proceed. This will open up a new area where you can view and manage the phone numbers associated with your LinkedIn account. You should now see your current phone number displayed on the screen. To remove this old number, click the Remove button next to it. LinkedIn will then prompt you to enter your password for security verification. Go ahead and input your password, then click Remove to confirm the deletion. This step ensures that only you can make changes to your account's contact information. Now that the old number is removed, it's time to add your new one. Look for the button that says Add Phone Number and click on it. A form will appear asking for your new phone number and country. Fill in these details carefully, making sure the country code matches your location. You'll also need to input your LinkedIn password again for verification purposes. Once you've entered all the required information, click the Send Code button. LinkedIn will send a verification code to the phone number you just entered, either via SMS or a phone call, depending on your settings. This usually takes just a few moments, so keep your phone nearby. Check your phone for the verification code and input it into the field provided on LinkedIn. After entering the code, click the Verify button to complete the process. And that's it. Your phone number on LinkedIn has been successfully updated. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.